Given that theta is a reflex angle and that tan theta equals q, where theta is measured in degrees and q is a positive constant, state the value of the following. Well, before we do that, let's just think about the fact that we know it's a reflex angle and that q is positive. And that tells us that the angle theta is going to be in the third quadrant, so somewhere between 180 and 270. So if we do 360 degrees minus theta, we start at 360 and we're going to go backwards through 1, 2 quadrants, and then it's going to be in the third quadrant here, which is the S quadrant. So that must be negative q. Now, tan 180 plus theta. Let's do the same sort of thing. So from here, we're going to have to go through 1, 2 quadrants, and then it's going to be in this quadrant here. So that would be q. Tan 180 minus q, starting here. So it's going to be down here, and that's going to be negative q. We want to convert the following negative 60 degrees into radians as an exact multiple of pi. Well, first of all, one way we know is that we can multiply by pi by 180. 60 goes in here once and in here 3 times. So that's negative pi by 3. But also, we know some of these standard angles. We should know that 60 degrees is pi by 3, and therefore negative 60 would just be negative pi by 3. So working on that basis here, 5 pi by 3, we know that pi by 3 is 60, so just 5 times 60 is going to be 300 degrees. Now we could also have done that by going 5 pi by 3, and then we know the conversion the other way is 180 over pi, so our pi's cancel. 3 into 180 goes 60, 5 times 60 is 300. But for some of these really common angles, it's best just to know them